How to refer friend in DoorDash and get DoorDash Referral Bonus. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To check out the referral program, you can head over to the Promos button, which would be most likely in the Account tab. In your application, you can click on the Account option, and at the very top you will see the Referral option. You can click onto it. If a referral program is active, you will see a Refer a Friend to Dash. You need to click on it to get your unique referral link. You can share it with a friend. They can use it to sign up for a DoorDash account. So let's go ahead and check out the referral requirement. The specific requirement for earning a referral bonus may vary. Generally, your friend will need to sign up using your link. They also have to complete a certain numbers of deliveries and meet other criteria as well. Once a friend meets the requirement, you will receive your referral bonus. The amount and timing of the bonus can vary as well. So this is all to how to refer a friend in DoorDash and get DoorDash referral bonus. Thank you so much for tuning in.